May mga bata dito na hindi ko nakikita dito nung nakaraan. Yung batang tabain.
Tabain.
Mm.
Anak niya.
Lalaki?
Lalaki ng babae.
Mm.
Luto. Tapos yung tabain na isa. Babae.
Yun itong dalawang babae dito. Alaga ang pala yung nagpunta doon na yung bunso, babae,
Paya.
maldita.
Hindi ka. Malalapot.
Rains? When the woman is in love, it's in her face.
Huh? No, it's not in our face. In the house.
Yeah, in your heart. But I know that you are in love the way when I see you.
Who?
When you talk to someone,
You can see from the person's
Yeah.
face, not me, even Kenya.
yeah. Even us.
Stop watching and come and talk.
Come here, talk. Hi. Whoa.
Baby boy. Baby boy, baby boy, where are you? Here I am, here I am. Baby finger, where
You know when he cries so strong. He cries.
Say no.
Let us say that.
Baby finger,
Yeah.
where are you? Here I am.
Oh, he scratch like this when he cries.
He was crying and he was scratching himself.
Smiling.
When the baby's like,
Eh.
not your bed, not your bed. Say no.
Baby Majid.
Ah, Majid eh.
Baby finger,
Where are you?
Here I am, here I am.
If he can speak, the
Almost 3 months.
And my is 5 months.
but he cries when her mom is not around, and especially when her mom is crying, when madam is eating, he cry. He wants also to eat.
From when he was a baby,
Mm.
every time when she go to eat,
Eh,
every time he hears the tears, he starts
Yes.
crying.
yeah.
Baby finger. Now you are the baby finger.
Huh?
Baby
He's laughing.
where
He's
are
laughing.
you? Here I am, here I am.
So nakaaliyak yung ano na.
Or 3 weeks. But she ain't more than 1 month.
Shein?
And she and sometimes it takes a month before they
Really?
And
Then noon, how many?
Noon, even 4 days, 3 days they can bring it. But their stuff are too expensive.
Yeah.
But Shein and
Definitely.
Temu no. Which
But Temo, how many weeks?
sometimes 3 weeks
Oh my God.
or 2 weeks. Yeah. Something like that.
Gumawa ka ng dumi?
Ano yung soy sauce natin?
Ah, wala na. Yung Indo food, Indomie.
Papagawa na rin amo.
Indomie. Oo, nagawa sila niyan kagabi, be. They make Indomie last night.
Siya.
Mm.
O ikaw.
Hindi, sila. Kung magluto para sa kanila nung... This is Asia. And this is Mary. This is Asia from Kenya. This is
Me
Mary
from
from
Ghana.
Ghana. This is, I forgot, Rosa.
Her name Princess.
Not Princess. Prose.
Are you recording this?
Huh?
Are you getting to me?
No, 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 no.
What are you doing? Facebook Live, sir?
Yeah.
Live. Which one? Facebook Live.
Just this one, and
She's from
just
Kenya.
a memory.
She's from Kenya.
Because
Kenya.
oh no, I'm just 1 month here.
Presla?
Presa?
Prose.
Pro.
Why I said Presa?
Presa.
It's okay.
Prose.
Princess, Prose, they're the same.
Alam mo yung preso sa amin?
Princess. It's okay, Princess.
Yung
okay?
preso sa atin, be.
I'll call you
Ano
princess,
yun?
Okay? Mafi mushkila. Even if you call madam.
Preso?
No,
Prose.
princess.
Prose. Aya.
What is the meaning of prose? You are always, see, she's like Mado, Krisa. She's like Mado on the telephone, see? She's like Mado, eh? Busy on the telephone. There, nice, I made the day was Miss Ada. Dahil sa made the day was Miss Ada.
Magawa kami ng Endomi. Meron silang Indofood, wala? Oo, ano gagawin mo dyan? Sinabihan mo siya. Ano ang sabi niya? Magluto kami ng Indomie. Gusto mo? Yan?
May sabaw gusto mo.
Ikaw?
Yung may cheese.
Ikaw? Gawa tayo? Magpakulo lang ng water. Tapos pag kumain na sila, sunod-sunod na yan, may magpagawa.
Ala ata dyan mga alaga ko.
Ah, umalis?
Mga alaga ko.
Ah. Kagabi narinig ko nga yung pangalan mo. Sabi ko, bakit? Tapos may naamoy ko yung Indomie. Ah, yun pala yung ibig sabihin nila. Yung ginawa mo. Tapos parang hindi nagustuhan ng bata. Kasi hindi daw masarap. Hindi daw katulad ng gawa mo. Saydon. Kaya konti lang. Takbo agad sa CR. Sabi kasi dinamihan daw ng, nadamihan yata ng ganito. Maasim sobra. Sabi ko, dilalagyan pa kayo ng lemon, di ba? Hindi nagustuhan yung timpla nila. Di ba nung ikaw nagawa nito, naubos niya, yung binigay mo?
Dapat yung isa doon sa alaga niya.
Mm.
Tapos nilang mag-isa.
Hindi nila naubos yung ginawa nila.
Nilalagay.
Tatlo nga lang niluto nila, hindi pa nila naubos. 3 sila.
Pati amo mo lalaki, tinatanong.
Naku, Bi, parang ganyan lang gagawin mo, Bi. Wala nang tubig. Halika, butasan natin yan. May naka-charge naman na ano na eh. Ayan.
May karga pa yan.
May karga na yan, may naka-charge na dati. Yung kung okay pa yun. Kanina pa to eh, di ba?
It will be four.
She's so happy. Mary.
You did not hear last week.
Yala.
Madam Leda said here is quiet because I'm sick.
Say hi.
Mira Yesu, Adaninara, Miaude, Makomaritu Jusa, and Yanaka.
Mary, say hi guys.
Hello, babies.
Hi guys.
Hi,
No
guys.
babies.
For today's video.
Oh. Hey, why are you running?
For today's
Hallelujah.
video. No,
Hallelujah.
you starting vlog.
Not like it's live, huh?
Yeah.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Say what is your name?
Oh,
Hi, I
it's-
am Mary from Ghana.
Hi, I'm Mary from Ghana. What's your name? Where are you from? Hallelujah. 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 I'm also going live on TikTok. Hallelujah. 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 Let me remove mine. This one. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Let me set the camera well. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Yala.
Dance,
Mary. I'm scared of this one. You're not holding it. It's not heavy. Yala, try. And she is dancing. Promise.
This is too small. Next week I'll make it.
Hindi na talaga siya nakabaya. Magkano, be? 60.
Isang pound kaya.
Isang piraso lang yan. 99. Isang box yan. Kasi ano lang yan, nasa 20 or 15. Oo.
Parang gusto mo pag nagpapackage
Wala naman na tayong pera. Pwede kung pwede, masaya dito. Ay, ano, STC. Wala man, di naman siguro pwede STC dito.
Pinagbigyan sa
Pinagbigyan na nga tayo kanina. Ayan, masarap din. Nagkuha ka na buldak?
Hindi.
Haida also new. Yeah, but I don't like it. Haida soup is nice.
Saan?
Which one? Yeah, the soup.
Itim? Tagal na yan. Sobrang spicy niyan.
Ito na ako.
By the way, your contract is finished with the office.
29. Maliit. Oo. Pero maganda yung mga gatas nila dito, be. Bakit? Original.
Hindi alam na ano. Maganda ko yung mga lakas na lotion.
Oo, maganda yan, be. Mabango pa.
Pink?
Ang mabango is ito.
Parang ang babango ng mga kulay
At
brown.
saka ito. Mabango yan. Pero yung lavender, ayoko. Nandun na sila. Bilis naman maglakad ng mga to. Makapag-vlog pa ako, no? Makapag-vlog pa. Nakikita ka na. I-upload ko na lang.
Kailangan pala ng karne.
Oo. Ay, may mga ano din dito, oh. Yun, oh, yung mga ganyan. Branded kasi. Kenwood. 171. Doon sa Kamsa, makakabili ka ng 50 reals. 40 reals. May 35 reals.
Mura lang pala yung Disney Quarter lang.
Oo. May trabaho pala siya. Akala ko wala. Baka may Mountain Dew dito. Magpalibre ka. Sabihin mo, madam, bayaran ko na lang sa'yo. Sa katapusan. Katapusan ng mundo. Ay, wala. Merenda lang meron. May Sprite sa taas. Ang laki.
Sarap Sprite.
Oo.
Yung talagang Sprite natin.
May 7-Up. Ayan, hotdog. Nuggets. Walang hotdog, no? Doon sa kabila.